little 5, little 6, little buses. 7, little 8, little 9, little buses. 10 little buses. One, little 2, little 3, little buses. 4, little 5, little 6, little buses. 7, little 8, little 9, little buses. 10 little buses.
As I go on a walk, what can I see? I see something yellow. A bright yellow candy looking very yummy. Let's jump when we see something yellow. Jump so high, jump so high. Jump, jump, jump. Colors are a beautiful thing. As I go on a walk, what can I see? I see something red. A bright red car looking very sporty. Let's turn round and round when we see something red. Turn round and round, turn round and round. Turn, turn, turn around. Colors are a beautiful thing. As I go on a walk, what can I see? I see something green. A bright green bottle staring back at me. Let's clap our hands when we see something green. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Colors are a beautiful thing. As I go on a walk, what can I see? I see something orange. A bright orange shirt that would really suit me. Touch your nose when you see something orange. Touch your nose, touch your nose, touch your nose. Colors are a beautiful thing.
The bear went over the mountain. The bear went over the mountain to see what he could see. And all that he could see, and all that he could see, was the other side of the mountain. The other side of the mountain. The other side of the mountain was all that he could see. The bear went over the river. The bear went over the river. The bear went over the river to see what he could see. And all that he could see, and all that he could see, was the other side of the river. The other side of the river. The other side of the river was all that he could see. The bear went back to the mountain. The bear went back to the mountain. The bear went back to the mountain to see what he could see. And all that he could see, and all that he could see, was the other side of the mountain. The other side of the mountain.